Welcome to the 5th QUICKSURFACE Getting Started tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll create a full hybrid 3D reverse engineered CAD model. We'll create it using the built-in tool scan, which comes with the installation of the software. To open this, go to Help, Examples, and choose Tool. With our mesh loaded in, we can see that it is already aligned, and we can start to analyze how we want to make it. For this case, we will make one solid body based off this sketch, like so, and then trim it and use the auto surface tool to create the cutout. To begin to make the main body, go to 2D sketch and drag it down until we reach a place which we can draw off. Once you're happy with it, click create. From here, click extract primitives and make sure the auto fillet is turned off. Using the fit line tool, we can make the 3 main lines, and then work more carefully with the more detailed parts. Make a line here, then a line here to show the tangency of this fillet, then make another line here, and this big line. Repeat this on the other side, like so. From here, we can click back and use the auto join tool. If some parts aren't automatically joined, you can use the mouse tool to join them by yourself. With the main lines constructed, we need to add the fillets. To do this, we can hold Ctrl and drag over the fillet. As you can see, the software will automatically find the correct fillet angle. Do this on the other side as well. Now we are ready with our sketch and we can click OK. From this stage, click on your sketch and click the extrude button. With the top arrow, simply extrude it past the mesh, and with the bottom arrow, move it down until it reaches the bottom of your mesh. With this done, you can click OK. For the next step, hide your main body so we can continue with the auto surface part. The first thing we want to do is to create another mesh with only the auto surface part needed. To do this, right click on your tool mesh and click duplicate. Then hide your original mesh. From here, click extract primitives, use the magic wand tool, select over this plane and extract it. Then click create. Then, to extract our auto surface, go to edit scan, and we can use the split mesh with other solid surface or mesh tool. When using this, the software will cut out the mesh based on the plane that we have chosen. The software will simply choose the solids and the planes which are visible. If they are not selected, all you need to do is find it in the menu and click on it. We will use the envelope tool so we can give it thickness for it to cut out. In our example, use 0.3 millimeters. Now, all you need to do is click preview, and the software will cut it out based on where the plane is. We can then click OK. With our two parts of the mesh visible, we need to isolate the auto surface part. To do this, go to Individual Meshes, select on your auto surface part, and click the Isolate button. Click back and close. Now, hide your plane, select on the auto surface part, and use the auto surface tool. To create this auto surface with the best accuracy, choose the highest feature details so that the software can nicely create these extrusions. Additionally, click Improve Holes Boundaries so it can become an even better fit. Then click Preview, and the software will do the job now. As you can see, the surface has been created, and we can click OK. From here, show your plane again, and the next thing we need to do is to extrude the auto surface above the plane. To do this, double click on your auto surface so you can see the surface's geometry. From here, select the whole top edge by clicking on one edge and double clicking. Then, making sure your plane is the only thing visible, go to the Commands toolbar and click Offset Boundary to Surface. Set the extra distance to 0.5 millimeters so the software can calculate the trim nicely, and click OK. As you can see, the software has extruded it to the plane and given it 0.5 millimeter of distance extra. We can now click Close. With all of our surfaces and bodies created, we can do the final trim. While holding the Shift key, select all of your parts. Then, click the Trim button and simply click on the parts that you want to remove. Make sure you also remove this 0.5 millimeter extrusion here. The software will show you if it's a solid body, and once you've confirmed that, click OK. If you want to continue making this CAD model, you could add these little details, or for example, create this cut here. However, this is all we're going to do today. I hope you enjoyed, and thank you for watching.